Hello everyone and welcome back. It is raining outside, but that's alright because I'm working in the garage. So today we're installing this on the Miata. Got a factory style, actually it is a factory spoiler. It is made by an aftermarket company, but it's a factory style spoiler. I was hoping this would come in like a dull black so I wouldn't have to do anything, I could just mount it, but it's coming this kind of gray thing. I'm too lazy to paint, and it seems like weather for painting may not be so great. So I'm gonna plasti dip instead. I'm going to say this, and that is, this is, from what I've told, a spoiler that should be drilled into the trunk, and it should be bolted into the trunk, but I'm going to attempt to install it just using 3M strips. Now, I'm gonna say this, I'm going to make sure that it doesn't fall off when driving. Obviously, if the spoiler falls off while driving, that could cause an accident, and that's probably not very good. So, also, that's, you know, all the money for the spoiler gone, because it'll probably be ruined after that. It may or may not hold, and so I'm just gonna make sure it does, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to drill into the trunk. But I don't really want to drill into this trunk just because overall, the car's condition really doesn't look that bad. Also, I want things to be removable on this car, which is why I'm keeping everything I install in this car completely bolt-on. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get to installing this. I just need to plasti dip it first. So, let's do that. Yeah, it's gonna look a bit like this. This is probably not completely done, but it's mostly done. So this, I'm gonna make sure I get a whole bunch of layers on, so it looks good, and it has, oh my god, basically, so it looks good, and it's also easily peelable. These look like they wouldn't hold it, but actually, this is the same piece that's holding this down, and this used to flop around a lot, and now it's really sturdy. So I think we should be alright using those, but if these end up not working for the spoiler, then I'll just drill the holes in the trunk. We'll just have to kind of see how everything plays out. So I'll see you when we get some more layers on this thing. Wow, actually strong enough energy. Jeez. You know what? I think it's good. I used 5 of these pieces, and they're for indoor use, but they're keeping down this spoiler. They're really keeping that down. Like, I pulled on it pretty hard as well, but I shall further inspect it, because since the adhesive is for indoor use, I don't fully trust it yet. I'm keeping the spoiler on there. I think we've had a success, but I will continue to check up on this a bit. I do like the black though. It gives good contrast to the rest of the car, and also matches the hardtop as well. The only thing that I don't like is that it is literally the exact same color scheme as that car, you know, with the exception of the wheels. The trunk's a little heavier now. Oh, is it not gonna stay up? Oh, come on. Stay up. Please. It's not gonna stay up. Oh, one issue. My fault. This, all down here has remained unpainted. So basically, don't do what I've done, because I cannot confirm or deny. Oh my god. I cannot confirm or deny that this is going to hold up or this is going to fall off. Do whatever you wish, and then if you run into problems, it's not my fault. Oh, see, now this car looks abandoned because it's in a whole bunch of junk. It's not abandoned, I just drove it yesterday. So it's not like, oh, I bought this car and now I'm just gonna leave it here. No, that's not what's happening. Right, so before I end this video, I'm gonna give you one final look at the spoiler for the Miata. I've gone and pulled it outside. It has been a few days. No, it's been like a little more than a week, I think. I have been driving it. I've driven it on the highway. I've driven it a little bit higher speeds, not like 100 miles an hour or anything. Spoiler's still as sturdy as ever. If we just back out, here's one final look. Well, not really final because you'll see it again quite a lot, but this is kind of a good look at the spoiler from this angle. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. It's windy, so this audio is probably ruined. Also, man, I was just editing this video yesterday. I sound like the most bored ever. Also, small little update. I wonder what these are for. So basically, I found these wheels at a junkyard. I decided to sand them down and repaint them in Nardo gray, and I'll probably throw these onto the Camry. One of the tires is completely ruined. I think it's this one. It's not this one. It's this one. So basically the whole tire is messed up and the rim's a little bent there. But hopefully that should be easy to repair. Anyway, that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below. Tell me in the comments to wake the F up, so I don't sound super bored in videos anymore. If you're new to the channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. I'm not always like super tired, like how I sounded in this video, but yeah, it was just kind of a one-off day for me. Until next time, goodbye.